Hey everyone, welcome back to another recap podcast from SNXweave, where we give quick weekly recaps of news and important updates from the previous week from the Spartan Council and core contributors. Let's get started. As of last week, Synthetix is sunsetting the Arbitrum deployment as part of a broader strategy to consolidate resources and focus on its integration with Base. Traders on Arbitrum can no longer open new positions, but can still close existing ones. Traders are being advised to move their positions to Base to avoid larger than usual changes in premiums, discounts, or funding rates. To migrate, close your Arbitrum positions and withdraw a margin. Then use the swap interface to bridge your margin to Base. And finally, deposit your margin on Base and restore positions if necessary. All Arbitrum markets are live on Base. Synthetix is also transitioning USDX on Arbitrum to USDE, and the Treasury has begun buying USDX from the market and adding capacity to the USDX-USDE wrapper to facilitate this transition. Liquidity providers are encouraged to migrate to Base, where additional incentives and yield opportunities will be available. This big decision to sunset Arbitrum also aligns with the launch of Synthetix v3 features such as gasless one-click trading and multi-collateral margin, and aims to streamline operations and deliver an enhanced, uninterrupted trading experience. Next, LP incentives on Base have been extended for a few more weeks, until February 6th. For the next 3 weeks, Synthetix will be distributing 15,000 SNX and 20,000 USDC weekly, as well as Aave yield-bearing Stata USDC deposits. Check out the current yield in the Liquidity app. As an update for SUSD, Fenway recently released an announcement addressing the SUSD peg problem. Most of the issues have been resolved thanks to the steps they've taken over the past few weeks, like spot purchases, limit orders, and velodrome incentives to help unwind large positions. They're now planning additional measures to accelerate peg restoration, including increasing funding to incentivize voting for velodrome and curve SUSD pools, launching an SUSD deposit pool with high APY, possibly on Infinex, and testing longer-term vault strategies with treasury funds to boost SUSD buy-side demand. We should be hearing more about this in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. Robin also announced that Synthetix is launching a new incentive program for yield farmers holding SUSD in their Infinex accounts. Starting tomorrow, January 16th, and continuing for 6 weeks, 5,000 OP and 5,000 SNX will be distributed weekly to SUSD depositors. The rewards will be based on deposit size, with APR rates at the time of announcement being 91% for $1 million in deposits, 45.5% for $2 million in deposits, and 18.2% for $5 million in deposits. Additionally, one random active user with over $1,000 in SUSD deposits will receive an unlocked patron NFT in their Infinex account each week, and the reward amounts may increase if total deposits exceed $5 million. To participate, just create an Infinex account, deposit SUSD, and watch your rewards grow. Lastly, Synthetix released fresh user documents a few days ago, making it easier to navigate important information and learn about the Synthetix ecosystem of products. See for yourself at docs.synthetix.io. And that's it for today's updates. Be sure to check out our weekly recap blog post, share this podcast link, and let us know what you think and what you'd like to hear more about from SNXweave. Thanks for listening.